Honestly, this is getting out of hand. Which one is, if there is any small thing happening, you will hear Igbo must go, Igbo must go. I mean what is going on in Lagos State. Any small thing they will say Igbo should leave. As if the people from the southeast don't have a home to go to. Now, this, my advice I'm going to give people from the southeast. If you're already in Lagos, you have built up your businesses, try a possible way to manage yourself, okay? But if you're planning to go to Lagos to start up a business, try to rethink. Because the kind of thing that is paddled against the people from the southeastern part of the country in Lagos is not good. I know that in their mind, they are still thinking that people who resisted everything they used to stop the protests in Lagos are the Igbos. Honestly, I believe they are not Igbos. They are people from Lagos State themselves. They are tired of this government and they are the one protesting. So I'm sick and tired of all these things that if any small thing they'll come out to say Igbo must go, as if those people they came from heaven or they don't have any place to stay. It's so unfortunate. You see, I want you to take your time and watch how people are reacting to the statement made by some Yorubas in Lagos saying Igbo must go. Because people believe that this country should not be one if such statement is reoccurring. Take a listen.
Igbo must go protest is coming on in Lagos very soon.
See, they are trying to bring things that will involve peace. I'm telling you that if you go put fuel for fire, it will blow everywhere. Let Nigeria blow. If they want it like that, Nigeria will blow. And Nigeria will blow one day. Nigeria can continue to live like this. Like they say, they tie them for inside one room, say, don't go here, don't go here. They monitor their movement. See, Nigeria don't reach a stage. They are that mature to choose how they will live. You understand? So you can't just say, Igbo must go, this one must go. Why you no go? You when a small person go, you no go. See, when you try to bring language, when they negative, when go big pump share, that is particles of the language you are bringing. See, let us address the issue. Let Nigeria be one and let Nigeria see what Nigeria belongs to. We belong to things where God gave us. We are not be suffering like this. Now you are bringing Igbo matter going to ground never end. They bring another matter. You want the matter at Ekpa? You want cause different problem now. You want solve one, wants to bring another one. See, that's why you see the situation of ground now, the protest. I even talk even don't cheer for this area. If they cheer, they come over. That not, but that fire bomb that area first. After I burn that area, we will go and circulate. They will call us say, yes, that is the seat of power. Whether they want to come back to Lagos, we know. So they have to change their thinking. Because when rap is there for inside hole, they say don't escape. When you pump out with smoke, and you don't block the corner, when you take Japan, you go come back and go there. So now where would they come from now? Now where would they go? If they not take time, now where would they go? Because Nigeria sabi to endure. Nigeria can punish Nigeria 100 years. They will say, okay, don't worry, okay. But then they believe say one day they will survive. But when you not continue to punish them, if they come outside for you, you go wrong. Okay. And you go wrong forevermore. That one is reality. Nigeria go first. President go wrong. Abuja go wrong. Soldier go wrong. Everybody go wrong. Because you can't kill all Nigeria. Nigeria we can pass Nigeria. Nigeria first. Nigeria don't end. This is what they say. I want to go around. If it happen, no. You go see Shakapura for everywhere. So they have to think twice and let Nigeria peace reign. Because the government they hold the peace. Not be we. We are not the one that hold the peace. Because they're there. But now they say the peace make us scatter. We will follow. Okay. Simple arrangement.
Give them the language.
The language that the Gaba and the co-workers, they should renew and check their mind. Change and not be renew hope. Renew hope is scammer. They are hard, they are evil, they are liar. Let them tell them, say they are liar. We want the truth, and the truth will set all of us free.
Posted it on Twitter and TikTok. Is on the run. As I'm talking to you now, yes. It has been implicated because it's trying to provoke full escalated war between the Yoruba and the Igbo. The guy is talking like from the perspective of someone that has not seen four walls of, I mean primary school, not even secondary school, let alone of a university. How could he say such a thing? It's enough to cause war, ethnic war. The Igbos have been staying in Lagos over the years and they've been living with their Yoruba hosts for more than 60 years now. I'm aware that Lagos was founded in 1967, which is at least 57 years ago. But Igbos were there here 1960s, even above that. don't know what I understand. So the man, the person, the woman that said this, either on TikTok or Twitter, is on the run because they have sent security operatives to track him down. I followed it, I read it yesterday on social media. He's on the run, he has absconded. You have many of them in this region that have not seen four walls of university yet. They forge results, they go to establishment, companies to go and work as quacks. Someone that can write, can read, cannot ever say this kind of thing. But you can see how clever he is. He can read, he can speak English, he can write. That's why he came up with this useless allegation and implication. Because it's going to cause what? Upheaval in Southwest between Igbo and their host, Yoruba. But as you can see, a familiar thing happened in 2021 during the NSAS protest when Adeyinka or Layinka's son in London was busy saying the same thing, that Igbo should leave, that they give Igbo for 24 hours. They are coming with mammoth army from Yoruba extraction to attack the whole Igbos. He was saying it with confidence in London. My brother, not up to 24 hours, he was apprehended and sent to jail.
That is London?
Yes, in London. If he comes out, it should be maybe yesterday because I only heard rumor that he's still there in jail. Meaning that they gave him like 8 years. He's finishing up either this year or next year. So somebody like this could be apprehended. But even though, as you said, he's in London, even if they apprehend him, this is Nigeria, this is Yoruba land, they might set him free. But what I know is that he's trying to cause bloody fight between Yoruba and Igbos, which has never been. And he has never succeeded because at least Atiku Abubakar, the PDP presidential candidate, he sent message across the federal government to make sure that they apprehend him. Even Lagos State governor, they should apprehend the culprits. He should go to the court of law and answer to it. Because what he said actually has defined him a moron. Yes. It could be only an idiot that can see light or fire, flame, put his finger on it, and when it hurts, actually that's when he knows or she knows it is fire. So he's an idiot. He has now absconded into an unknown place. He's at large as I'm talking to you now. Because I don't see the reason why he should come out and say that kind of thing.
Igbos have been provoking their hosts. That's the allegation.
Yes.
Over the years, the Igbos have been provoking their hosts.
Yes.
The Yorubas.
Yes. Yes. It's the Yorubas that have been provoking their guests, Igbos, over the years, coming out with empty allegations. Okay, now we are having protests, things to protest about. Yorubas come up with another allegation that Igbos are coming together to destroy Lagos, that they should go to southeastern Nigeria and go and protest. Is that good? Is it a good thing to say? Don't you see that that statement is unhealthy? It's unhealthy enough to cost the Yorubas that are living in the southeast something very, very expensive. You don't talk like that. When I was a baby, I always talked like a baby. But now that I'm grown up into a real-fledged man, I reason like as men should reason. So whoever is culpable of saying such thing should be apprehended, and the security operatives, they are on his heel. They are going after him.
What's your take as Igbos have refused to join the protest?
Igbo's refusal to embrace the protest was as a result of accusation in 1966 that Igbos hijacked the protest, the riot of 1966, which cost many Igbos their lives in the north. Across Nigeria, Igbos were killed nearly 1 million because of the same political impasse or crisis caused by Awolowo and Akintola, Okocha, Izigboro in the then Midwest. They caused trouble, and when protest was going on around Nigeria then, in 1966, they accused Igbos that they are the one that orchestrated the protest. So as a result of that, we always learn from history. being that we are not history blind, we always reckon on history and we count on history. And today we come out with a familiar issue. We have no reason going to protest to avert the danger of 1966 repeating itself. That's why we could not join anybody to carry placard. And as you can see, indirectly the Igbos, with the Igbos in Lagos State, with the Igbos in the north, across Middlebelt, we protested. What? In another way, we are not seeing the grievances that when Obi won an election and Tinubu hijacked Obi's mandate, the Yoruba, the Hausa, the Fulani, the Bibio, the Junkos, the Kaje, the Lantangs, the Nukba, the Kanuris, they could not protest. They allowed Obi's mandate stolen. They did not protest. Yoruba did not protest. So this time that they are hungry, we are not hungry. Could be that they protested Obi's illegitimate lose, let me call it, defeat. And even they protested against Tinubu's illegitimate victory. I think Igbos would have no cause to protest or no grievances. Igbos would have joined the protest in the first place. But today, they show us that Tinubu could continue. After all, now Yoruba man. That's why they could continue being hungry. We cannot protest, we are not hungry. Yesterday we were busy eating chicken. Full chicken. Big one. We were busy eating our chicken indirectly. It was a merriment. We were merrying yesterday. And merrying is an indirect protest against Nnamdi Kanu's continuous incarceration at DSS facilities. We protested, but we protested in good mood. Merrymaking. Yes. Telling them that we are not hungry. The time to protest was there. As of last year, they did not protest. When the fuel pump price was increased so abruptly, nobody ever protested. When they removed subsidy and they still pay subsidy into their pockets and they still took our crude oil into Malta, Middle East Europe, refine it, pay subsidy to themselves, brought the crude, sell it up by themselves. Nobody protested them. When Dangote refinery here was set ablaze, they stopped Dangote refinery from being operational to alleviate oil crisis in Nigeria. Did they protest? Oga, Igbo man is not protesting anything. I don't want them to target Igbo protest so that they will be killing Igbos, innocent Igbos. We did not protest so that they will not kill us. We were celebrating yesterday, drinking our beer, our stout, and the Manyangbo Ogro. We are showing a protest in disguise.
That's a protest.
Oga is a protest. Why? Why shouldn't people allow us to open our shop? We are protesting drinking because we should have opened our shop and transact our business. I don't know what I understand. So, people that orchestrated bad governance, people that supported them, people that started rigging the election in Nigeria, people that abetted them. The umpire called INEC in conjunction with Tinubu, Rip Igbo man. Election he won, his mandate last year. Nobody protested. When Obi won that election, did anybody protest? Why must we behave like children when we have already grown up into maturity? Okay, let me tell you. If I tell you the truth today, that the Igbo man is tired of Nigeria. Nigeria is holding Nnamdi Kanu and nobody is protesting. Why should I protest because of fuel, hunger? Did I tell you I'm hungry? I will never ever be hungry. Okay, I'm hungry for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Tinubu should release Nnamdi Kanu. And by the way, why are they expecting Igbos to protest? Igbos have been protesting since incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu 4 years ago in the southeastern Nigeria. We've been protesting. Every Monday, Tuesday, we protest. And we are still protesting now. You want us to join another protest? No. Unless the Hausas, the Yorubas, and other tribes join in protest. In protest against illegal, reckless, careless incarceration of MNK. Odogu one of Igbo land of the time.
Okay, lastly, what's your take on the protest so far? What's your take on what?
They are doing good, provided they are not destroying government facilities. And I will advise anybody that is voicing his anger or grievances based on this illegality, illegitimacy going on as government. You should protest peacefully. Don't fight. Don't throw punch. Don't fight police. Police is the one that should give you protection. Then again, look at the government facilities. Don't spoil it. Do the needful. Tell government where they are not getting it right. Bad governance, bad government, failed economic reliability, bad economic hardship. Economic hardship is weighing down on Nigerians. Lack of what? Stabilization of foreign exchange. A situation whereby dollars is ahead of naira by far indicates that Tinubu has nothing upstairs. He's a clueless man claiming that he knows it all. A situation whereby Tinubu has never succeeded on converting Nigeria into a metropolitan or third world country in advancement in technology and science-wise. He has failed. That is what we are protesting, and we are doing it peacefully. I mean, my brothers in Yoruba, Hausa, Ibibio Efik, they are doing it peacefully, and they should continue to do it peacefully so that they will succeed on getting good answers from the public office holders who have been rearing Nigerians as their cattle and slaves for over 15 months now. Tinubu is just barely 15 months, not up to 2 years. Tinubu has succeeded on acquiring some oil company that are receiving subsidy, fictitious subsidy that was never paid. Okay? When Tinubu stays 8 years in office, I wonder. When Tinubu, I'm suggesting, stays 8 years in office, I wonder what will happen to Nigeria. He's going to pocket everywhere. Divert our NNPC into his refinery in Malta. Then go to Sedito, then go to open his nyash. This government bad, you. Government know they talk again, no. Journalists know they talk again. Newspaper know they talk again, no. This government is bad, no. They don't buy everybody with money. See, let me tell you, there is fire on the mountain. Protest is going on now. Bringing Kepi, Jigawa, FCT, Kaduna, Kanu State, Niger, everywhere. Lagos State is not left out. I mean, Okota, Ojota, Ochodu, Ikeja, Agege, Muchi, everywhere. Fire on the mountain. Tinubu should come out and answer to what orchestrated this fire. Thank you.
God bless you.